Good morning, friends. In this short video, really, it's very short. I'm going to show you how to ensure that an ISO image or a file you have downloaded from the internet or web is genuine, it is not tampered with. And PowerShell makes it super easy. So I just downloaded Rocky Linux version 9 DVD ISO, and what you need to do, Checksum, you just click this file and it will download. And let's see. So this is the ISO image I have downloaded, dvd.iso, and this is the checksum value. Okay. More importantly, you need to notice this one, SHA 256. That's the checksum used. So let's go to PowerShell and enter a simple command, get file hash. Okay, hyphen path. Okay, so where I have downloaded the file, I have downloaded it here. So VirtualBox and ISO images, Rocky. This is the file. Okay, so now algorithm. Hit tab. Algorithm is SHA 256 and hit enter. Depending on the file size, it may take some seconds or few seconds and maybe sometimes about a minute. And I think it's about 12 GB large. Okay, it's finished within a few seconds. So this is the checksum we received, okay, or hash. Let's see. In this file, I already know that this is dvd.iso. I have checked it, dvd.iso. So this should be the one. But let's Control F paste, and that's it. Exact match. So PowerShell makes it super easy, and you can always check if your ISO file is genuine or any file is genuine. Okay, well, note that when you are downloading file, if the source is providing you a checksum, you can use it. Uh, if it is not providing you any checksum, then the checksum you see here is the one for your copy of the file. Okay, so ensure that you obtain a hash or checksum. That's all about it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.